Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the ways of making passive income using your smartphone. So in this channel, I literally like sending video how to make money on a mobile phone. Okay, I usually like sending how to make money on mobile phone and how to grow your social media platform like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and etc. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can earn money through affiliate marketing on the site we call it BetSure. Okay, so stay with me, watch this video from beginning to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So guys, without wasting much of your time, all we need to do is just to go and search for www.betsure.com. okay, .com. Alright, so after searching that, you need to go and log in your account. If you still don't have an account, I will leave the link in the video description. You go and sign up, and then on signing up you need to sign in. So guys, after that you will land onto this page. Okay, you will land onto this page. So when you land on this page, you scroll down. When you scroll down, you will get this is what you will get. Okay, you will get this affiliate program. I hope you're seeing all this affiliate program, or you can even scroll up, you can find it just here. Okay, affiliate program. So once you find this, all you need to do is you need to come and tap on it. Okay, you tap on the affiliate program. Let's wait for it to open. Let's wait. Try to be patient here. Alright guys, so once it's open, this is what you will be seeing. Okay, this is what you'll be seeing. So guys, as you can see, when you land onto this page, they'll be paying you 89 shillings. Okay, they'll be paying you 89 shillings for signing. If one person you refer to sign up, you will get 89 shilling. Okay, so you'll get 89 shilling per person. So as you can see, this is what I've already so far earned. This is what I've earned already. This is 89 Ugandan shilling. Okay, so I've tried it and I've even done with the withdrawal. Let me first try to show you. So these are what they need from you so that you can withdraw it. Okay, this is what they need from you to withdraw it. Now all you need to do is to come down here and then invite. Okay, you come and invite. So you'll have your referral code just here. This is where your referral code is, as you can see. So guys, this is your referral code. Okay, this is your referral QR code, and then you can use WhatsApp, you can use message, you can copy the link, TikTok, you can use Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter. Okay, so guys, it depends on your choice. Okay, it will depend on your choice. So after that one, boom, you just send the link, someone registered, you make money. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. We meet next time.